Hello guys, today we're looking at the Dyson Spot Plus Scrub AI wet and dry robot vacuum, and right away, it feels like a major upgrade over typical robot cleaners. The build quality stands out immediately, with a sturdy design, smart sensors, and a premium feel that makes it clear this machine is built to do more than just push dust around. Setup is simple, even if you're not super tech savvy. The app walks you through Wi-Fi connection, room mapping, cleaning modes, and maintenance, so everything feels smooth from the start. What really makes this robot special is its dual function system, combining powerful dry vacuuming with real wet scrubbing. Instead of needing separate devices, it handles crumbs, pet hair, and dirt, then switches to mopping for sticky spills and stubborn spots. The AI navigation is another big highlight. It doesn't bounce around randomly, it maps your space, avoids obstacles, and cleans efficiently without missing edges or corners. The scrub pads actually make a difference on messes like muddy footprints or spilled juice, leaving floors noticeably cleaner. It also transitions smartly between floor types, so it won't accidentally mop rugs or skip tricky areas. With solid battery life, automatic docking, and full app control for scheduling and zone cleaning, the Dyson Spot Plus Scrub AI feels like a truly practical cleaning solution for busy homes. If you want a robot that can handle both vacuuming and mopping with real effectiveness, this one delivers.